For decades, the Glock 19 has not just been a handgun, it has been the absolute, unavoidable baseline of the defensive carry world. But in 2026, serious defense experts and tactical instructors do not just blindly accept the baseline anymore. They actively look for what beats it. We have reached a point where the industry has stopped trying to copy the Glock 19 and started engineering specifically to exploit its weaknesses. Today, we are not looking at a list of generic clones. We are counting down the 5 specific compact 9mm pistols that defense professionals constantly use to measure exactly where the Glock falls short. These are the modern benchmarks. Let's get into it. Number 5. CZP-10C. When firearms instructors want to prove that you do not need to spend hundreds of dollars in aftermarket parts to make a polymer compact feel naturally anchored in the human hand, this is the exact model they point to. For years, the defense industry simply accepted the Glock 19 grip angle and its famously mushy factory trigger as the standard cost of doing business. The CZP-10C is the pistol experts use to completely dismantle that argument. Dimensionally, this gun is a deliberate, almost exact mirror of the Glock 19. It even fits in many of the same holsters and occupies the exact same footprint inside your waistband. But the similarities end the second you actually establish a firing grip. CZ engineered the P10C with a deeply contoured undercut and a grip angle that points naturally for the vast majority of human beings, instantly eliminating the need to force your wrist downward just to find the front sight. What that means in a high-stress defensive scenario is that the gun naturally aligns with your eye the moment it clears the holster. You are not fighting the geometry of the frame, you are just driving the gun. Furthermore, experts constantly highlight the factory trigger. It features a crisp, distinct wall and a clean mechanical break that puts the standard Glock trigger to shame, straight out of the box. You are getting enhanced precision without voiding a factory warranty or relying on a drop-in kit. But the CZP-10C is not without its compromises. Because it is built to such tight mechanical tolerances, the slide release can be notoriously stiff out of the box, often requiring a lengthy break-in period before it drops smoothly during high-speed, one-handed reloads. And while aftermarket support has grown significantly, it still cannot touch the endless ocean of readily available parts for the Glock ecosystem. It lands at number 5 because it serves as the ultimate baseline reality check in 2026. It proves that superior ergonomics and a significantly better trigger can be delivered directly from the factory, often at a price point that undercuts the Austrian standard. It is the working professional's out-of-the-box upgrade. But while the CZ wins on sheer ergonomics, the next pistol on our list was built specifically to solve the Glock's biggest physical limitation when the environment turns violent. Number 4. Smith & Wesson and P9M2.0 Compact. When defensive experts talk about managing recoil under the worst possible physical conditions, the smooth polymer frame of the Glock 19 suddenly becomes a massive liability. The M&P 9M2.0 Compact is the specific platform professionals pivot to when they demand absolute physical control over the weapon. Let us talk about traction. The standard Glock grip can feel like a bar of wet soap when your hands are covered in sweat or rain. Smith & Wesson engineered the M2.0 Compact with an incredibly aggressive, duty-grade grip texture straight from the factory. It locks into your palm like rough sandpaper. In a real-world defensive encounter where your grip strength fluctuates and your fine motor skills degrade, this weapon physically will not shift in your hand. Beneath that aggressive exterior, this pistol hides an extended stainless steel chassis embedded deep inside the polymer frame. That metal spine is not just there for durability, it dramatically reduces frame flex during the firing cycle. For the shooter in 2026, that translates to less recoil energy transferred back into your wrists and a slide that cycles incredibly flat during rapid follow-up shots. You can drive this gun harder and track your sights faster than almost any standard polymer compact on the market. However, that control comes with a literal friction cost. If you are carrying this concealed inside the waistband against bare skin, that aggressive texture will chafe your side and tear up your cover garments far faster than the forgiving finish of a Glock. It claims the number 4 spot because while it might lack the endless aftermarket modularity of the Glock ecosystem, it delivers a massive, undeniable upgrade in structural rigidity and traction. It is the definitive choice for the defender who values recoil control over customization. But while physical grip is critical, the modern fight is viewed through a pane of glass, and our next model completely rewrites the rules for how a compact pistol should actually mount a red dot. Number 3. Walther PDP Compact. In 2026, mounting a red dot optic is no longer a niche upgrade. It is the fundamental standard for defensive carry. And when defense experts discuss optic integration, they use the Walther PDP Compact to show exactly how archaic the Glock modular optic system actually is. The Glock MOS system was designed as an afterthought, using high-riding adapter plates to stack optics on top of a slide that was never originally meant to hold them. The Walther PDP Compact was engineered natively from the ground up to be a red dot host. The slide geometry is massive, featuring aggressive super-terrain serrations that allow you to rack the slide confidently from the front or rear, even if your hands are covered in mud or blood. But the real revolution is the optic cut itself. The PDP allows the red dot to sit incredibly deep down into the slide. For the modern shooter, this means when you present the weapon, the red dot appears lower, closer to your natural sight line, and perfectly aligned with your eye. You do not have to hunt for the dot or alter your natural wrist angle. But the Walther does not just dominate the slide, it dominates the trigger guard. The PDP features what is widely regarded by tactical instructors as the finest factory striker-fired trigger currently in existence. It has a crystal-clear, predictable wall and an incredibly short, tactile reset. This trigger allows for surgical precision under extreme stress, giving you custom-level performance right out of the box. The trade-off for this massive slide architecture and deep optic integration is physical bulk. The Walther PDP Compact is undeniably thick and top-heavy. It feels significantly more massive inside the waistband compared to the streamlined profile of a Glock 19, making it slightly harder to deeply conceal under light summer clothing. It takes the number 3 spot because it proves that if you are committing to a red dot in 2026, you shouldn't have to bolt it onto a legacy platform. The Walther PDP Compact is the dedicated red dot champion. But what if you actually love the footprint of the Glock, but demand the performance of a high-end custom build without the hassle of building it yourself? Number 2. Shadow Systems MR920. When experts talk about the reality of customizing a Glock 19, they point to this exact pistol to prove how much work the Austrian platform actually requires to meet modern standards. For years, shooters have bought a stock Glock 19 only to immediately spend heavily on replacing the barrel, milling the slide, and aggressively modifying the frame. The Shadow Systems MR920 is the perfected custom reality, delivered straight from the factory. The brilliance of this platform is that it maintains the exact physical footprint and the legendary magazine compatibility of the Glock 19. You can use your existing defensive holsters and your existing backup magazines. But Shadow Systems fundamentally redesigned the actual human interface. they added a massive double undercut beneath the trigger guard, allowing you to establish an incredibly high, dominant grip on the weapon. This drastically lowers the bore axis and mitigates muzzle flip during rapid fire. Furthermore, they completely engineered away the weakness of the Glock plate system. The MR920 features a patented multi-footprint optic cut that allows you to mount almost any major red dot directly into the slide steel without the need for adapter plates. For the Defender in 2026, this means your optic sits incredibly low, robustly secured, and often co-witnesses seamlessly with standard iron sights. You get the undeniable reliability of the Glock ecosystem combined with the surgical precision of a high-end custom build. The undeniable trade-off is the financial barrier to entry. You are paying a premium, custom-level price for this out-of-the-box perfection. It is significantly more expensive up front than a standard Glock 19. It earns the number 2 spot because it is the ultimate mirror held up to the Glock. It is the gun experts use to show exactly what an uncompromised, optimized version of that exact footprint should be. But while the MR920 perfects the existing dimensions of the compact class, the final gun on our list completely shatters the physical rules for that entire category. Number 1. SIG Sauer P365 Exa Macro. This is not just a comparison. It is the pistol that defense experts say officially broke the Glock 19's monopoly. For decades, if you wanted 15 rounds of 9mm in a reliable defensive package, you accepted the 1.2-inch thickness of a standard polymer compact. The SIG Sauer P365X Macro completely shattered that physical law. While it has technically evolved from a micro-compact lineage, it provides a full 17-round capacity and a grip length that puts it directly into the Glock 19 weight class. But the massive disruption is in the width. The X Macro achieves that overwhelming firepower while remaining incredibly thin, sitting at roughly an inch wide. For the everyday carrier in 2026, this translates to a profound biological advantage in concealment. You no longer have to dress around a thick block of polymer on your waistline. The X Macro practically vanishes under a light summer t-shirt while giving you 2 more rounds than a factory Glock 19. It changes the entire math of concealed carry, forcing defense professionals to constantly ask why anyone would still choose to carry a thicker, heavier, lower capacity weapon in a modern environment. Furthermore, the X Macro features an integrated expansion chamber built directly into the slide, bleeding off gas to significantly tame muzzle flip and keep those 17 rounds surgically on target. The trade-off for this bleeding-edge engineering is the felt recoil impulse and the trigger feel. Because the gun is so remarkably thin and light, the physical recoil snaps slightly more into the webbing of your hand than the larger, softer-shooting Glock 19 frame. And the standard SIG Striker trigger, while perfectly reliable for defense, lacks the distinct crisp break of the Walther or the CZ. It claims the number 1 spot because it does not just improve upon the Glock 19 formula, it makes the dimensions of the Glock 19 feel obsolete. It is the ultimate modern measuring stick, delivering maximum capacity in a footprint that actually respects the realities of daily concealment. Let's bring all of this together and see where the defensive industry actually stands today. The Glock 19 will always be a legend, and it remains a massively capable defensive tool. But as we have seen today, the industry in 2026 is no longer defined by simply copying the Austrian standard. Whether you demand the superior ergonomics of the CZP-10C, the unyielding grip of the M and P9M2.0 compact, the dedicated optic architecture of the Walther PDP compact, the out-of-the-box perfection of the Shadow Systems MR920, or the reality-bending capacity of the SIG Sauer P365. X Macro, These 5 pistols prove that true experts demand a gun tailored to their exact environment, not just the lowest common denominator. So, the question goes back to you. Has the Glock 19 officially lost its crown in your safe, or do you still trust your life to the proven baseline? Let me know which of these systems actually wins your daily carry rotation in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.